Hey guys, welcome to my bike shed. Today I really get organized. I'm done with the mess. I'm really done with it. Going on a motorbike trip, I always use my tank bag for all my video stuff. So I carry all my chargers, all my spare batteries, itinerary stuff, passport, all these things are located in my tank bag because I can take it easy on and off the bike if I go somewhere else. Recently I realized that my tank bag, even I got it for 5 years and it served me really well, has to go. Because by the nature of it, it is just an old big black hole. And after days riding, it's an utter mess. I was hanging onto this tank bag for quite a while. I knew it wasn't perfect. On my last trip, I scratched my lenses of my glasses, what really annoyed me. I had some stuff bent in there, I kinked some cables, and half the time I can't find something when I'm looking for it. So what's the solution? I could pack up all this stuff in individual pouches. I mean, that would surely protect the stuff. But a lot of times when I'm riding, I want to take stuff out when I still have my gloves on, because otherwise it just becomes really cumbersome. A tank bag has to be easy accessible. So after exploring all the criteria, I went online and checked out what tank bags would suit me. And the model who suited me the best came today in the post. It is the tank bag from Mosko. Let's check out what's in the box. Right, let's see what we got in there. Okay, that's a bill. 4 heavy-duty zip ties. Some nice stickers, fair enough. Mosko Buy More Stuff leaflet. That is a map pocket. That one here will be the rain cover. And that is the bag itself. Oh, that looks really good. Let's put that down. And also we got a hydration bag. Excellent. So let's put this stuff down and have a bit of a look in more details. So, as I said before, I needed a bag what is really useful when it comes to storing my stuff in compartments, because everything is just flying around my tank bag. So let's just have a quick look. I mean, when you look at it, that Mosko one is definitely smaller than my old original tank bag, but as you can see, that's my charging setup. I put that back. It is really just an empty hole. So when we look at this, and I assume that's the way it will be mounted on the bike, you have a tiny little pouch on the top where you can put your mobile phone in there and the stuff where you need easy access to it. Obviously that's not rainproof, but it is rather handy. You know, if you are somewhere and say you park up somewhere, buy a ticket and you just have to store it somewhere quick, that's absolutely perfect, because it also got a bit of Velcro here which stops the stuff falling out. I have no idea what that is for, but it's maybe for this one here. So, but anyhow, so that's already a good start. Then you have the mole straps on top of it, so you can put additional stuff on it. Excellent. So let's look in a bit more detail. So we have pocket here. Maybe you put all your itinerary in there, what is perfect. You can put pens in there. So there's a little pocket. Then you have another pocket behind it and a mobile phone pocket with a strap on top of it so it doesn't fall out. And the first compartment, or the second compartment in this case, is first inner liner. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets where I can store my stuff in a really nice order. And here's something, oh, and here's something for, I don't know what that is for, but you know, it's handy to have if you want to put stuff out of sight. And then we have the bottom one, where you have a huge compartment, again the zipper where you can store your stuff. More and more and more safe storage for batteries or anything else. And you also have here, as you can see, 1 second, a throughput for charging your powers. And here you have a way to feed a cable through to charge your stuff on the inside. So for me that is absolutely perfect, because what I will do is just put that on the inside, feed the cable through here, and then all I have to do is run my power charging cable directly to this and I'm good to go. So the way it looks, this will be for me where I put all my stuff for charging, maybe my passport and stuff in here, and then I can put my other gear all around here and I will be super organized. The point is, if you are in a slide of road situation, your stuff is not flying around in your bag. I think down here somewhere, this is where you put, well, that's a kind of bizarre little pocket. I have to figure out what it is. That's tiny, but I suppose because it's waterproof, it's something where you maybe can put a key. That's rather handy. So here is where you put your water bladder in, and then obviously you can run out somewhere, not sure yet. I think that's for the rain cover here. I think you run, and this is where you run your water pipe out, run it around it, clip it in here, and that's all nice and safe. And I think somewhere in here, yeah, is also straps, so you can use that thing as a rucksack if you leave your bike behind and you wander off. So for me, I think that is something to look forward to. So guys, I keep you posted how it all works with that bag, and then we just take it from there. Right guys, until next time, you ride safe, and I try to figure out how to mount that bag on my motorbike so it makes sense, and then I will start packing it up, and when I have it figured out, I will show you exactly how I did it. Until next time guys, ride safe. Bye.